Welcome. I'm Elinor Silverstein, and today I'm here with Jeff Haller, who's going to be teaching at our upcoming Feldenkrais Guild of North America Conference 2025, together with Roger Russell. And the title of their workshop is Why Dinosaurs Don't Have Heels and Judo Experts Move Pelvis. Yeah, tell us about this workshop.
Well, this is a workshop that looks really deeply into how we organize coordination uh, for our students and for the people that we work with, and how the brain organizes coordination. 380 million years ago, the first tetrapods that came out of the water and were having to support their spine above the ground did not do push-ups. Their brain organized their musculature to organize their skeleton in order to lift them from the ground. And one of the things that we have to recognize is that for the most part, living in the field of gravity, we haven't really studied how to coordinate our ability to utilize our skeleton to counteract the force of gravity. And so we're really going to go into the whole process of how it is that coordination, that ability to utilize ground force through your skeleton to counteract gravity, nanosecond by nanosecond, can be coordinated. That's going to be the workshop.
Great. And in our longer video, I'm going to ask you about why dinosaurs don't have heels and talk to us about that in terms of this. So I'm looking forward to the next recording. So everybody come and listen to that one too. I'll see
All
you
right.
soon, Jeff.